Welcome. We are out for the walk, and it's not a morning walk. It is about 2:45 in the afternoon. It doesn't matter when we walk, as long as we walk. Let's start over here this time. It was pretty cold this morning, but I had things to do, had to go to town. So we're doing it now. All right, the sun's in a different spot, so y'all might see a little different scenery. Here we go. We're already on the trail. Where'd it go? Well, that's one underway. Well, kind of started in a funny spot. That's all right. I did walk yesterday. I just didn't film it. I got up early, knocked the walk out. I had to go to town, pick up some supplies. If you watch my video on Dogman, then you'll know what I did. So that's why I didn't film it. I wanted to get out there and get going so I could have a rough day. And I did. What we got in there? I don't know. Ow. All right. It is nice right now. It's about 45. No wind. It was windy earlier, and now it's not windy now. So it's perfect walking weather. All right. All the dogs, boy, cool weather hits, they just go nuts. They love it. Waldo, he's something else. Yeah. Ain't your boy. He's over there watching. I didn't. I'm gonna mess with them quarters. I just have to be careful and keep track. The quarters are sitting in water. Alright. Yeah. Boy, was my legs sore after walking down on that pavement the other day. And I did the drive in a truck. From my driveway to Jeff's driveway is exactly 1 mile. So I did a mile there, a mile back. Plus I don't remember how many laps I did around the yard first. I think one full one. So yeah, 1.5 miles, 1.25 miles, something like that is what we did. I'll take it. Tell you what though, it seemed a lot longer. Well, there's Miss Tilly. Where's Miss Melly? She was right behind you. Where's she at, Tilly? Oh, is it beautiful right now? It is. Peaceful, quiet. Good day for a walk. And the weight loss, all I can say is Monday should be good. I'm going down. A little better than the last time. But we'll see. We'll see. There's Millie. You see her run across the yard. They just ate. Everybody just ate. That's lap one complete, pretty much. All right, let's kick her up a notch and play some music. Here we go.
Keep talking good, keep talking sweet, keep sugar on, baby. I got you good, I got you sweet, got you on hold. My baby knows what I'm all about, what I'm all about. My baby knows what I'm all about, what I'm all about. Keep moving fast, keep moving slow, keep rhythm on, baby. You got me good, you got me sweet, got me on hold. Baby knows what I want, baby knows just how I'm feeling now. You got me locking, walking, stopping, rocking, freaking and freewheeling for a while. My baby knows what I'm all about, what I'm all about. My baby knows what I'm all about, what I'm all about. I may be here, I may be there, I may be gone, baby, just for a while. 'Cause when you smile, got me on hold. My baby knows what I'm all about, what I'm all about. And my baby knows what I'm all about, what I'm all about. Mama used to say, Mama used to say, Mama used to say, Mama used to, Mama used to, Mama used to say, baby knows what I'm all about, what I'm all about. And my baby knows what I'm all about, what I'm all about. Knows, baby knows what I'm all about, what I'm all about. My baby knows, my baby knows, baby knows, my baby knows what I'm all about.
Roll up my window, don't know where I'm bound. Driving by the river, there's a hole in the ground. Hand-me-down t-shirt, slicking on my back. Heading for a fall, had to get up to crawl. I ain't got no time to stall. On my way to nowhere, I'm not afraid at all. Roll up my window.
Miss Libby thinks I went and walked without her, but we're still going on our walk. How's your ears feeling? Yeah, they're better, ain't they? Because you went to the doctor and got them fixed the other day. Yeah. You got your ears fixed, and we're going to go do another 2 laps. So that'll be 7 laps for me. But only 2 for you. Alright.